Okay, the first quick little trick I'm going to show you. I come down here on my screen down here where it says type here to search, and I type in talk to text, or I just type in talk and this thing comes up. Oh my gosh, I love this thing. So let's say I had to enter into ETO everything we just discussed with Brian. Look how quick this is going to make my ETO. Today, Miss Flores and I co-taught Brian on the internet, period. Brian was able to complete an assignment in science, English, and math, period. Both Miss Flores and myself were very complimentary of his efforts, period. I think it's important to note that even though the phone died and disconnected, he plugged it in and got back on with us, period. We were both in agreement that he definitely was trying to work with us. Okay, so like that's a little redundant, so I'm going to take that out. Let's see. I'm going to take this part out here. We both showered him with compliments and he seemed well pleased, period. Brian scheduled to meet with us Monday at 2 p.m. to work, period. Okay, so this is taking a little longer than I thought, but anyway, so we have this. Now we just hit Control A, Control C. We can actually come right over here. I just come over here, I go right into my ETO, I log right in there, I do a touch point, I record a touch point, I say that the touch point I want is case coordination. I'm going to come down here and find Brian's name. Ooh, I promised you I'd do a quick video. Okay, hit that. And then, come on, touch point. Let's get this in. I'm going to put on my touch point that today is the 3rd. I'm going to say, I always hate calling it phone call because I feel like it's more like an in-person. I do here. And then here I'm going to type in phone call as well as Google Hangout video conference. Okay, I like to specify that to show it was a little bit more. Now here I just do Control V, boom. That's my thing. Co-taught Brian on the internet at 3:40 p.m. I'm going to switch this super quick from 3:40 p.m. until 4:50 p.m. Okay. So anyway, there we have it. Okay, so that is it. And then I'm just going to come down here and save. And now I just already document it. Yay! How long did that take me? I'm sorry if the video is too long. I have to figure out how to stop this video.